everyone, today we will learn to draw a parrot. It's easy and simple. Do as I do. Very good. Keep doing. Our drawing is complete. Let's color it. Do it carefully. Very nice. Our coloring is complete. Now make the outline. Our drawing is complete. Kids, try to pronounce the word parrot. Say with me, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P for parrot. Very good. That's all for today. See you in another video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye-bye.